So, how are you, ma'am? How are you been today?
Yeah, I have been good today. Everything is going well, smoothly. You tell me, how have you been today?
I'm doing great. Everything is hunky-dory. So, tell me something about yourself. Could you please introduce yourself? We are meeting first time. So, tell me something about your qualifications and your background. Yes.
Okay, sure, ma'am, definitely. So, ma'am, obviously, as you know, my name is Rashmi Rajput. You can see on my screen. And yeah, if I talk about my qualification, I have done my graduation. I am talking to you from Uttar Pradesh. I live in district Aligarh. If I talk about my profession, I am a homemaker. Simultaneously, I am running a YouTube channel. That name is English with Rashmi Rajput, where I upload English conversation videos. Sometimes I make solo video, short video, then upload on my YouTube channel related to grammar. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love cooking, reading, and connecting with the different new people. Sometimes traveling. These are my hobbies. So that's all about me, ma'am.
So, you are from Uttar Pradesh, right?
Yes, yes. I am from
Okay.
Uttar
So,
Pradesh.
from UP, which district you belong?
I live in district Aligarh.
Aligarh. Okay.
Hmm.
Actually, UP is my hometown, and so that's
Where?
why I asked. UP is my hometown, so that's why I am asking this question.
Okay,
Okay.
where? By the way, may I know about yourself?
Yes, yes, of course, I would love to introduce myself. So, as you know that my name is Monica, and I am from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. And I am a teacher, and I teach since last 10 years in a private institute, schools as well. And if I talk about my hobbies, I read, writing, reading. I would love dance often, and simultaneously, I am running my YouTube channel also. Since last 6 months, I am improving my communication skills, as well as I take offline classes, online classes also for the beginners or intermediate, or especially homemakers. Uh, this is
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, this is my
Okay,
uh,
ma'am.
yeah. Thank you so much for asking. So,
Okay,
how have you
ma'am.
been learning this
Great to hear
language?
your introduction, ma'am.
Yeah, how have you been learning this language, Rashmi, ma'am? Please tell me something about your journey, YouTube journey.
Okay, ma'am, sure, why not? So, first of all, thank you so much. Ma'am, literally, I can say I have been learning English for more than 1 year. Same time, I also started my YouTube channel because I want to improve, I want to see my progress. You know, if we start our YouTube channel, we can see our progress because where we upload our videos, after that, we can watch our videos, then we can see. That's why I started my YouTube channel for enhance my communication skills.
Okay, so I want to ask one question. You wear sari and like a veil, you are veiling this is your proper outfit for the channel, or you are wearing sari regularly?
Regularly, I wear sari. It's my culture dress.
Yes, yes, of course, this is our culture. We are
Because
Indian.
I come from village. That's why in my side, all village ladies are wear sari.
Very true, very true. Because sari is our cultural dress also, and it is our it token our culture or our tradition, right? So that's why we always. I also love wear sari occasionally, but not regular basis. Sometime I wear. Yes,
Okay, but I wear every day. So, ma'am, by the way, where are you? Means where your metal house in UP?
in UP, Agra, Agra.
Agra. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. So, what subject do you teach in your school, institute?
I teach English, literature, and language both.
Okay, okay.
Yes. and where
Okay.
I meet regularly. So many students are there who are they are very eager to know new things in language and
Hmm.
literature, and sometimes we also very eager or passionate learner na. If we talk about
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
like our journey, or my YouTube journey is started like 6 months ago, so I am very passionate learner about this language. And in this global world, everybody wants to improve in this language, to go in this language, because
Hmm.
this is
Hmm.
necessary and it is very important also nowadays. So every
Yeah,
yes.
nowadays really, yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
you can continue.
Yes. So I also thought that I also create my one channel, YouTube channel, so that I can also take some classes, and some do something do for others also. Like now,
Hmm.
I am in working, but on the other hand, like this is a our part time working. So, and it's a comfortable job at home. You are doing at home at any time. Whenever you get time, you will be conducting 1 or 2 session every day. So this is our consistency, and consistency is very necessary on YouTube. If you are not consistent,
Yeah.
you never know ki what is your success. If you consistent in your work, by hardworking, or you are dedicated person, so nobody can stop you for getting success in your life, right?
Hmm. It's true, ma'am. I am totally agree with you. You know, consistency is a key of success. If we manage, if you follow a consistency, we definitely we will success in our life.
Right, right.
No
So,
one can't
Rashmi
like
ji, I want to ask you some
stop
questions,
us.
some like related to our communication or speaking related questions.
Uh-huh.
My question is that,
Sure, sure.
can you describe your daily routine in a brief, in a nutshell? Describe your daily routine.
Okay. Sure, ma'am. Definitely, I will describe my daily routine. You know, ma'am, I am a homemaker. I have also kids. So, you know, every day my very busy day. So when I wake up every day, I wake up early in the morning, 4 a.m. After that, I start my day with happily and productively. You know, I like very much learn new things. Really, I am very passionate to learn this language.
Hats off to
Still,
you.
I
First
am
of
very
all, I
excited
want to
to learn new
congratulate to
things.
you that you are living in a village area and you are very passionate learner. This is a very good thing, and I salute you. Really, it's a good work you are doing. Very, very true.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You know, these days this language playing very visual role in our life, very good role. So, if we want to provide a good education for our kids, so that's why this language is very, very necessary. And I also, I was telling to you about my daily routine. After that, means wake up, I do my self activity like exercise and like walking. I also like drink warm water in the morning. After that, I have to prepare like lunch, breakfast for my husband and my kids as well, because my elder daughter she goes to school, so that's why.
So,
After that,
how
I
many
manage
kids do
my
you have?
own
How
house.
many kids do you have?
I have I have two daughters.
Okay, they are
Hmm.
elders.
Hmm. Uh, yeah, but not elder, young.
They younger.
Elder one is 7 years old and younger one is 4 years old.
Oh. It's too small and
Hmm.
younger. Now,
Uh,
they are growing up gradually or by and by. And but I can say
hmm.
children never we huddle in our life. If we are doing something special or something extra in our life, or growing ourselves, our personality development, so children always inspires us, and we cannot say that they
Yeah.
are hurdle in our life. They are uh, uh, they are creating so many, like sometimes they are children, so obviously they are
Huh.
playing, they are doing mischievous things, a lot of things they do
Which,
in a
yeah.
day. but we
हाँ,
cannot say they are hurdle in our life. Many people says that
हाँ,
my children is very naughty and very small, so I cannot do anything because I am busy. I will be engaged between them. But I would say that you are a good example for them. You are a good inspiration, like you people, because without any difficulty, without any diligent work, we cannot get success in our life. If we want to
हम्म,
achieve something, some goals, or more, our
yeah,
goal, or complete our goals, so we
our
have to
goals,
face,
yeah.
yeah, we have to
हम्म,
face some difficulties also.
Mm-hmm. You know, ma'am, you are saying right. If you want to improve, if you want to achieve our goals, we can get, some people also blame their luck, blame their time about their family. Every time, ladies also, all most of the time, they also thinking about and blame their family. We can't do anything because we have kids. We have a lot of responsibility. If we can manage our time, we can everything depend on our time. So time is very very precious in our life, so that's why we shouldn't waste our time. Everyone have 24 hours, success
Yes,
people,
yes.
unsuccess people also. So success people always means they also give their waste their time. They never ever waste their time, so that's why they are able to do anything on their time. But unsuccess
We can
people
say
always
people
waste
are
their
not
time.
people don't want to get out from your comfort zone, right? Because comfort
Yeah,
zone,
yeah.
taking out from our comfort zone is very necessary for doing something special in our life or growing our
Yeah,
personality, right?
every time they want to live in their comfort zone, they don't want to come out from comfort zone. It's a very, important thing. So we should come out our comfort zone every time. We shouldn't live. Yes, so that's why they also think, like most of the time, means most of the people blame their luck. Our luck is not good, but it's a reality. Luck is nothing in our life. We do hard work. I can understand
Yeah.
sometime immediately, suddenly, anything happen within our life. These things I can say it's our luck. But
Because
if we are not
perfection is,
doing anything,
yeah, if we talk about like
uh,
perfection or progress, so what is the difference
uh,
between progress and perfection? Could you please tell me what is the difference between perfection and progress? Because perfection not comes in a day, or in a 2 day, or in a 1 hour, or in a week, or in a year. It takes time always,
uh,
right? And in my eyes, progress, if you do any work, if you do consistently, and consistency and your daily regular practice, it makes you good progress, and it makes you
definitely.
it makes build your confidence and build your confidence level as well as in a regular day basis. And you if you consistent in your work, you definitely progress in your life one day. So what are you thinking about this statement,
It's
perfection?
a reality, ma'am. Perfection, it's right. We can't get like 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, but we can get improve progress. When we do something every day with consistency, we will get improvement. We will get progress. Otherwise, sometimes it's a very difficult task to manage consistency because sometimes any problem we have, our kids have any problem, so we can't do same work same time, but we can follow continuity.
Yes.
It's a very very
Yes.
important thing. So we should follow continuity. We shouldn't give up our means daily activity. We shouldn't quit our daily. Some people also, if they have some problems, they also quit their activity. We can't do that work. I can understand, like some time we have problem, we can't do anything, so we are not able to do same time same work, but we can do that work next day. It's
Yes,
a
we can.
reality.
Yeah. And Rashmi,
Hmm.
I want to ask you next question. Is your family support you for this journey? Is your family supports you so well, and they have no any kind of objection because you are a YouTuber, and you very in according to me, you are managing everything. How can you manage everything like sari? You are wearing sari on a regular basis, and so is there any kind of support from your family? Your family is supportive or not?
हाँ मैम, एवरी माई फैमिली मेंबर्स आर ऑल्सो सपोर्ट मी अलॉट. माई मदर इन लॉ, माई फादर इन लॉ, दे ऑल्सो रियली वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट मी because it's very means commendable work. No one can't speak English in front of others in my village, also in my,
Wow.
like, I would say,
It's a
area,
good thing for
because
you.
it's
Yes, and it's a good
so
advantage that
my
your family, like no, blessed you because you are one of only one member in your family you speak in English, and right. So
yeah,
your
yeah.
family blessed you, right, and supports you.
Yes, ma'am. But if I talk about my husband, if I am here because of him, he supported me a lot always. Still, he also support me a lot because he has a dream. He wanted to, like, my wife will speak English in front of others. She never like feel any hesitation, fear in front of others, because village ladies always like feel fear. We can't talk to anyone person in English. It's very big means task. It's not a easy task, so that's why he also want to make all things easier in my life. Every time really, I am also, I didn't join any English classes, any offline online. I am learning English from my husband and brother. They also teach me this language.
Wow. And your family educated so well. So your family supports you, understands you, and uh,
Hmm.
get always ready to support you. You do well. And right now, motivation is very necessary, Rashmi, because in our life, if
Yes,
our
ma'am.
family supports us, suppose, so we can do everything in this world also. And women
Yes, ma'am.
empowerment is very necessary. If a women
Yeah.
want to one work in their life, in her life, so she can achieve everything, but dedication is very necessary,
Hmm.
and consistency matters a lot.
Yeah, ma'am. Women have a lot of patience, so that's why they can do everything whatever they want. So I would say my all family members are really very good. They never ever like thinking about why I am learning this language, and they always support me.
Unless we work hard, we cannot achieve anything. This is true, and
Hmm.
life always demands us. You have to work hard and get out from your comfort zone. You go out from your comfort zone, and life always demand us that if you are working hard, I will always with you. God always with you.
Huh.
But consistency
Yes,
matters a
yes.
lot, and persons criteria, what is the mindset, right? Mindset is also very
Hmm.
necessary in this regarding language, because this language is not
Yes, yeah.
too tough. But if we try daily basis, if we try regularly, our efforts, we takes a lot of efforts, so nobody can't stop us, right? Okay, my next question
Right.
is
It's right.
yes, what is one habit you want to change in your life? What is one habit you want to change in your life?
Already I changed my lot of means habits. Earlier time I used to waste my a lot of time. I used to sleep a lot, but really nowadays I improve my a lot of like habits. I wake up early in the morning, and I don't like waste my time these days. And I also only one my I want to improve my one habit only, because sometimes I want to sleep a lot. It's this habit I want to improve.
Okay.
Because it really, I am very sleepy person. Nowadays, I quit my sleep a lot. I wake up early and I sleep also late night. But sometimes I feel I should sleep a lot. So that,
Okay.
and I also want to improve my reading
Sleeping.
habits.
Yes, yes. Instead of
Hmm.
sleeping, because afternoon napping time is 3 to 5, between 3 to 4 o'clock. It's the napping time. I know very well because I understand, because we are homemakers, so we do a lot of working in our household work. Our
Yeah.
siblings also, we have to tackle our children also. So I can understand your things, right? Okay, next question is,
Hmm.
who is the person in your family admired the most you, and why? Because
Okay.
you
Hmm.
are doing very well, and you are flawlessly, your speaking is so good. Like you are taking so many efforts, you are a hardworking, intelligent person. So which person you admired the most, and why?
Already, ma'am, I told you my all family member admire me, but means most of the time my grandfather means my father-in-law admire me a lot because he thinking about I am from like village ladies, but I can speak English means I can't say fluently, but I can speak English in front of others. I have no hesitation, no fear. So my father-in-law, my husband admire me a lot.
Okay, so whenever you go out with your husband, so many people knows you that she's a Rashmi ma'am, and she carries her YouTube channel. So people like you and admire you. Say something about the people
Uh,
around us.
so many people, nowadays means near surrounding people know about me. I have a YouTube channel. I am learning English. I can speak English. They also admire me. They also want to speak English like me. They also want to try. Also want to start. But when I go outside along with my husband, everyone also admire me a lot because earlier time my husband, he is a computer teacher. I used to go my husband office. At the time really I didn't know anything how to speak English, and I was not able to speak a single sentence. So everyone thinking about like my husband is he's a very educated person because he has completed her means he's a study from Bhopal. So that's why everyone thinking about where means sir got this marriage. She doesn't know anything, but sir is he's a very intelligent person. I also really I felt a lot of nervousness at the time. Sigh, oh my God, means my husband is very educated person, but I don't know anything. It's not good for me. I wanted to learn, but I was not able to manage my time. When I started to manage my time, now I am able to do all things on time.
Very right. And it is appreciable also, Rashmi, because if you get a lot of time from your busy schedule. So why other people not do this thing, na? Right? Because you are
Everyone
living in a
can.
village area, and beside this, although you are trying hard and hard every day, getting a lot of efforts regarding this language, because everyone wants to become a good education. Although we have good education, but if we are not
Mhm.
get into this language, so we are not. People says that English. If she doesn't speak in English, she is not educated. He is not educated,
Yeah.
right? So this
Yeah,
language is
obviously,
very
obviously, most of the time we also think we can't learn this language. It's very difficult because when we complete our study, at the time we only study about like some paragraph, grammar. At the time we didn't learn how to speak English. Our teacher also don't like teach us like that things. But nowadays, provide like in CBSE board, they also provide spoken classes and all subject like English. That's why student can speak English. But I talk about when I was in college and school at the time, there were no any facility we can speak English.
right, right. because there is no enough resources to learn how to learn
Hmm.
English, this language, because internet problem is there in village area. Most of the
Yeah,
time there is
there.
no any kind of good service of internet. So people every time people perplexed and think how can we get rid from this kind of a problem, and we can, so many people want to learn this language over village or rural areas nowadays in presently,
Hmm.
but they are lacking for the some kind of resources, lackness of resources like internet, like some laptop, some android mobiles. I think androids have everybody has android
These
nowadays.
days, everyone has no any issue. If you want to anything, they can do. When village people, rural area people, everyone can do anything. But earlier time, it happened like it was an issue. But nowadays, I would say everyone has mobile phone, internet. They can say, earlier time we didn't get any news very soon. We have to take some time, but nowadays we can get any news very soon because of social media and internet.
Right, because social media is a good platform
Everywhere.
to joining each other.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, By this process, we can join to each other, we can connect to each other,
Hmm.
and interaction to each other. It is very beneficial. Okay, my next question is that what advice would you want to give your younger self, like coming generation? What advice would you give to your coming generation
Hmm.
regarding this language?
Hmm.
Like internet
Okay,
like
ma'am. I
beginner.
would say,
Yes.
mhm, mhm, mhm. Okay, sure, why not? Definitely. I would say this language is playing very big role in our life these days also. But coming days, this language is very, very necessary. If you want to provide good education for our kids, if you want to get good job, if you want to go anywhere, if you want to purchase anything, because nowadays every rapper also written in English. If we know English, we can read very easily. We can know about that how much sugar there, how much where is where this time like expire date and how much price that things. Tablets, any means packet product written in English. So if we know English, if you want to go any hotel, if you want to go anywhere by train, so if we know English, we can get any inquiry, anything very easily. So that's why I want to say to everyone, this language is very, very important. Everyone should must learn this language. If you they
Yes.
can they, so many people also thinking we have lack of time. We don't have much time. How can we learn this language? It takes a time. This language needs efforts, time also. Without give time, how can we learn? But if we manage our time, we can do everything. So time is very, very necessary. That's why we shouldn't waste our time.
Because it is
So
not a, yeah.
most of the housewife after getting married, they means kept their documents in Almira. They're thinking about apart from housework, we can't do anything.
Yes, yes.
Be apart from kids care, we can't do anything because now it's our duty. We have to do that work, but we can do everything, so whatever we want, even housework, study work also. Because nowadays we no need to go outside. We can learn everything at our house. It's a reality thing. Earlier time there were no social media. We didn't have a mobile phone, so that's why we were not able to get anything very easily. But nowadays everything's available on social media, so we
Right.
can get whatever we want.
Yes.
Only we need what do you want to do in your life? If you want to do good things, you can do. If you want to waste your time, you can also waste your time over there on social media. If you want to utilize your time very good way, you can also utilize your time on social media good way. You can learn anything.
Yeah. That's true, and you describe this thing very nicely because many people only like to scrolling their mobile 2 hours or 3 hours
They
unnecessarily.
also,
There is the only totally wastage of time. And if you want to
hmm,
learn something special or something good or meaningful or informative, so you should go through by social media. Always have two aspects, advantage and disadvantage. How can we use
yeah.
what type of use you have? It only depends to you, person to person, it depends.
But
But
it's
I would
depend on
say
our
that,
mind.
yeah, English language is not a cakewalk. It is not a cakewalk only one after 1 week or after 6 months you
No,
are
no.
fluent speaker. You will be a fluent speaker. No, it always takes time. It always takes time, I
Yeah.
would say.
It always takes time. It's not a like a small thing. It's a long journey. You know, we every time we should consider ourselves. We are as a learner. When we like thinking about we are enough. We don't need anything. We can't improve our life. When we like consider ourselves every time we are as a learners. So we can improve day by day. It's my opinion. Every time we should consider ourselves. We are learner.
Learner, or we are a learner, or there is no any age, no age bar, and at
Hmm.
any age you can
Age is
learn,
not
but you have to
barrier.
passionate. You should be a great learner. If you are a good passionate
Hmm.
learner, so you can learn easily. But everything,
It's
every path has some difficulties. You should overcome from that difficulties happily, or you can go through your life, your journey. Okay, Rashmi ji, this is the
sure.
only, we have to wrap up the session, call it a day because timing is getting over. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much for being here and have a nice day.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. To you, have a good, nice evening to you. Thank you so much for connecting with
Okay,
me. It
ma'am,
was
how many
really very nice
subscribers do
session
you
with
have?
you.
How many subscribers do you have?
Okay, I have 15, like 100 plus subscribers.
Okay, okay. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. To you, have a nice
Bye
evening.
bye.